Yo guys, today I'm gonna be doing a bike check. Yeah, like as you can see, I've got a Carrera Vengeance custom wheelie bike. So first, I got a mafia seat, really beat up, but I did order a new one. Then I've got the stock pedals. I might be changing those soon. And I got these grips on the stem, as you can see, pretty nice. Not too bad, not too shabby. I do have a Shimano hydraulic brake. I don't know which model this is. And I got brake grip. Yeah, might be the brake. Then I got spoke skins. They're all broken. I don't know. I've got the stock derailleur and cassette. Then I got this light, pretty good, nice. Doesn't work, doesn't help. It's fake, by the way. Then I got another one down here. And I'm gonna be getting into some clips now.